What's up YouTube guys, this is Prism back with another vlog. अहिले चाहिँ बिहानको ठ्याक्कै 7:22 भएको छ अनि म चाहिँ अहिले जाँदैछु चरिकोट। हामी चाहिँ अहिले बाइक लिएर जाँदैछौँ। सबै गियरहरु रेडी छ हैन। KNF को ब्याकप्याक बोकेर राइडिङ ब्याग बोकेछु हैन। मूलपानी क्रिकेट स्टेडियमको अगाडि बसेर मैले भ्लग सुरु गरिरहेको छु र अब यहाँबाट हामी चाहिँ यो बाटो हुँदै बोडे हुँदै हामी चाहिँ अहिले उता राधे निस्किने प्लानमा छौँ हैन। सो या लेट्स गो। Okay, let's begin our trip, right? We are heading towards Bode, Cricket Association of Nepal, Mulpani Cricket Ground. So let's go. So this is Madhyapur Thimi, and we are heading towards Radhe Bharbetini. So now we'll be taking a ride from here. This is Bharbetini, and now we will be heading towards the highway. We'll take left to reach our destination. Riding in the morning is so good experience yaar tara यस्तो रमाइलो हुन्छ के जहिले बिहान हुन्छ नि like every view is so clean हैन त्यस्तो धुवा धुलो pollution is not there. We have reached Banepa guys. After we reach Banepa Chowk, we will pull over and then we'll check time. The main market of Banepa 7:54. So it's like about 32 minutes. So after 32 minutes we have reached Banepa. So yeah guys, we took a rest for about 10 minutes. Destination is still far, right? So let's move. We'll be taking short break like this once every 30 minutes. So currently I'm at Banepa Chowk, and I'll be heading towards Dhuli Hill. We have reached Dhuli Hill. On the next point we shall have some breakfast. Okay, a little bit of bad road here. We are heading towards 0 kilo. That would be our next stop, Oh guys, check out that view here. Let's get back to our way. Nice ride, bro. मैले होल्डेको प्याक लिएछु हैन, सो टेन्सन छैन. स्न्यापच्याट गइरहनु पर्यो गडा. मेरो स्न्यापच्याटको लिंक चाहिँ यही हो हैन, डिस्क्रिप्सनमा पनि राखेको छु, एड गर्नु होला. लेट्स गेट ब्याक टु आवर ट्रिप. Oh yeah, check that range. Damn, I don't know what to do. Insta360 X3 or DJI mic or Zhiyun Crane M3S. Among three, I will definitely buy something. I have just reached Himalayan View Guest House, and I'll be taking a short rest here. Nasta. खाइदिउँ न त. हैन रोटी नै खाइदिउँ. रोटी तरकारी बाहिर बसौँ न है. कस्तो मिठो यार यहाँको रोटी तरकारी त यार, हाइली रेकमेन्डेड. धुली खेल आउँदा यो ठाउँ डु चेक आउट. बवाल मिठो छ. खाजा खायौँ हामीले. अब चाहिँ निस्किरहेको छौँ यहाँबाट. हिमालयन भ्यू गेस्ट हाउस एन्ड तन्दुरी रेस्टुरेन्ट. बवाल मिठो यार. नाउ वी आर हेडिङ टुवर्ड्स 0 किलो. यति खाएर यति रेस्ट गरेपछि हैन एनर्जी नि आयो. I just cleaned my visor. Now everything is looking so clear. Let's go. So guys, we have reached 5:3 and we are heading towards 0 kilo still, hai na? Guys, we reached 0 kilo, I know. We'll take the right. I have never been to this road, I know. I've only gone through left side to reach Melamchi, of course. But for the first time today, I'm heading this way. I'm gonna ride very slow in this road. I don't mean to say that this is the first time I've been on this track, I know. The thing is, this is the first time I'm riding a bike in this track. I always used to travel on a vehicle by bus or by micro, I know. म आफैले चलाएर चाहिँ कहिले हिँडा छैन के यो बाटो. Everything is so good. The road is awesome, yaar. And the climate is so good, yaar. Like, it's a bit cold, but not too cold. You know, soothing type. You can see the smile on my face. So many turning. Riders are gonna love this road, you know. So yeah, guys, I have finally reached Dolal Ghat. And I really want to take a drone shot here, you know. I love this bridge, yaar. Halka drone shot andim na ta. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is Dolal Ghat bridge. How was the drone shot? Now I'm heading towards Khadichor. Khadichor man este bridge cha, you know, where I really want to take some pictures. It's a really cool place, yaar. I really like this place. People used to come and have some picnic over there, you know. So it's a good picnic spot. Definitely check out Dolal Ghat, you know. It's a good place. Now let's go. म चाहिँ क्रुज गरिरहेको छु अहिले हैन मस्तले and I'm having a lot of fun here. Reached Bandeau. If you take left, you will reach Chautara. If you take right, you will go to Charikot. We will be heading towards right, and in 10 kilometers we can find Sukateri. So guys, we have reached Sukute and we are heading towards, of course, Khadichor. Sukute river found this way. Sukute Riverside Resort that. Sab Sukute ne Sukute, na. Thrill Valley Private Limited. In this place you can find amazing resorts, you know, where you can go for rafting, kayaking and different adventurous activities. I highly recommend this place for those adventure enthusiasts. So we have reached. What the fuck? Charikot kun bato? Seedhe ho? Wow. Here you can see two rivers colliding, you know. Where is this here? Bale fi gaun khali ka. रमाइलो भइरहेछ You can smell the greeneries क्या यहाँ त smell literally freshness of the green leaves हैन amazing road यार दाइ चरिकोट यही बाटो हो चरिकोट ए ल धन्यवाद हल्का रोड बिग्रेको अवस्था हैन but not so much it's okay so we have reached Khadichor and we can see the Khadichor bridge. Okay, this is Khadichor market. It's a huge market here. Everything is available here. You might need to cross that bridge. Charikot kataबाट हो दिदी यता Let's take the right and then we'll get some drone shot. I really want to get some drone shot from here, हैन So let's go. उता हो खोलाको तीरमा बसेर ड्रोन उडाउने अब So I am currently at Khadichor. The river is so good. Landing गर्नलाई ठाउँ खोज्नु छ हैन के छैन हातैमा ल्यान्ड गरौँला Moved from Khadichor, right? I love that scene यार. Drone shot कस्तो लाग्यो? How was the drone shot हैन? Please do comment. The roads are getting really tighter हैन. So I really need to focus on the road now. So अब चाहिँ धेरै less talking, more riding. Loving the place यार. Let's go. We need to be very careful on this road. Everyone told me that there are many twists and turns in this road at this particular area. So I really need to focus on road right now. For the past 30 minutes I've been climbing up this hill. So yeah, altitude is rising. It's getting cold. We have reached Mude. I don't think I want to stay here. किनभने destination is still too far. सुर्बी रहेछ. यहाँबाट गाडीहरु लाग्दो रहेछ. You can see the road. Not too good, not too bad. You know, बीच-बीचमा खाल्टो अनि pitch. Now we have reached Dolakha district. Dolakha district starts from here. Yeah, let's go. OMG, the road is bad. The road is really bad here. Wow, man, check out that mountain range here. And that hill looks too good here. This place is freaking amazing here. Oh man, check out the beauty, check out the road here. Wait, Mil. Now I definitely need to fly drone here. Wow man, check out this view. Definitely getting some drone shot here. So drone shot in 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, we just took a great drone shot I think and I really enjoyed taking that shot. Turning point. Wow, bazaar. I've been riding slowly for a while now and I must say it's very cold yaar. यस्तो जाडो भइरहेछ. The road is filled with sand, so we must take good care while riding, and we can find these small beautiful waterfalls all over the road. We have reached Charnavati pool. Nice little breeze हैन. अब चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने we just shifted from that hill to this hill. Let's keep going हैन, because we need to reach our destination in time हैन. Now I think maybe 30 to 40 minutes more or less, no problem. Anyhow, yeah guys, we have reached ठ्याक्कै कहाँ भन्दा चरिकोट दोलखा. लेट्स गो टु चोक. अब त आउनु पर्ने हो. खै त लभली रोड यार. Hello guys, we have reached Hotel Thakali and Lodge. Oh dai. Keto. Hi guys. So we have reached the destination, Hotel Thakali and Lodge. माथितिर लागौँ. हेलो खै हेरौँ न. हेलो गाइज, हामी चाहिँ गौरव दाइको घर आइपुग्यौँ एट चरिकोट कडा रूपमा. ओहो ओएमजी तेरी दाइ यार, कस्तो बवाल मजा आयो. पानी खाइदिँदा प्यास पो लाग्यो. यस्तो छ यहाँको भ्यू, दामी छ. पछाडि खाइमा चाहिँ झन् डेन्जर छ हैन. कडा रूपमा हाम्रो गौरव दाइको घर आइपुगेँ म. ल गाइज,